How to access blocked website and apps on turbovpn. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode I'm going to show you the ways to access the blocked website and apps using the turbovpn. So for that you have to install the application. First of all, head over to your Play Store. So on the search box, go ahead and type in turbovpn, and when you type in turbovpn you can install it. And once the application is completely installed, make sure to enable all sort of permissions. Then it's gonna take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So sometimes website, apps and games that are banned or restricted in your region. Now while browsing with turbovpn, it can help you get unblocked sites and other content easily, as the VPN shows a different location from your actual ones. So in order to access it, you have to go ahead and tap to connect, located right at the bottom, and then you'll be able to access the blocked website and apps. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.